The FO-HB9 RSF blower is a powerful, quiet, and energy-efficient solution designed to boost the heat output of your fireplace. By using advanced airflow technology, it helps distribute warm air more evenly throughout your home, so you get more heat with less fuel. Its compact size makes installation easy, and low noise operation means you'll barely notice it's running. Built from durable, long-lasting materials, it's made to perform reliably for years with very little maintenance. Compatible with a wide range of fireplace models, it will blend seamlessly into your existing setup. Plus, with its energy-saving performance, it can help reduce your heating bills while keeping your space consistently cozy. Whether you're upgrading your fireplace or building a new one, the FO-HB9 is a smart, efficient way to stay warm and comfortable all winter long.